In this video, I'm going to show you a really simple but very powerful system you can use to trade the markets so you can start making money straight away. It's to accompany a PDF guide that I recently put together that details everything, but I thought I'd do this additional video series just to explain things just a little bit further. So it's for the daily range breakout system. So first of all, what we do is we start off answering a few quick questions. What markets are we going to trade? We're going to be trading foreign exchange or currency or FX, Forex, whatever you want to call it. So we're looking at FX. Now, there's many different FX pairs out there. I personally trade some of the major Forex pairs. You can trade miners, Scandinavians, Australasians, there's loads of them. I tend to stick just to the majors. I trade 6 pairs in total. That's a good point. 6 pairs, I recommend you trade at least 5 or 6 to diversify. Don't just trade one pair. With this system, or like many systems really, you're going to make money over the year through diversifying. Each pair, if you just trade one pair, you might not make money. Probably 5 or 4 out of those 6 pairs are going to make decent money throughout the year. 1 or 2 of them, you're not going to make money. But the money you're going to make on the other pairs is going to far outweigh any losses you get on those other losers. So trade 5 or 6 pairs. Time frame, duration, we're going to be looking at daily charts, and the trades typically last less than 24 hours. So it's quite a quick, or it's quite a fast in and out system, especially trading just from daily charts. How many trades, or what's the trade frequency? Typically, for each Forex pair, you're going to be looking at 30 to 40 trades a year. So if you're trading 5 or 6 pairs, over 200 trades per year. 200 per year. When to trade? Bit like here, the time frame, we're looking at daily charts. Now we want to be looking at the daily chart towards the end of the session. When I say the end of the session or end of the day, Forex is a 24-hour market, so it doesn't shut. So technically there is no end of the day apart from on a Friday night, which is when they shut for the weekend. But for the rest of the time, what I do is I look at the markets between 10 and 12 o'clock in the evening, our time. That's here in England, which is about 5 o'clock New York time. What happens is 5 o'clock New York time, trading volume tends to dry up a bit, and any major price moves don't really happen for the next few hours. So that's a good time for me to look at the trades, look at the markets, put on the orders. So 10 to 12 UK time. You have to adjust that for wherever you're trading from. How time consuming? How long does it take to find the trades? So it's a rule-based system. I'll give you all the rules, exactly what to look for. The trades actually, they jump off the chart at your face. If there's a trade there, you're going to spot it within a second of looking at the chart. It's that simple. So we're going to be looking through 5 or 6 different charts. It's going to take less than 30 seconds to look to see if there is any trades. If there is trades, what I do, get out my notepad, I note down the prices, the entries, your exits, etc. Jot them down, and then open up my dealer or my account online, and then I put in the orders. Probably takes however long it will take you to put in an order. 2 minutes at the most per order. So you're looking at a maximum probably 10 minutes a day just to put in these orders. And then what they're orders, so you put them in, and then you don't even have to look at the chart until the same time 24 hours later. So it's all done at the end of the day for you. So time consuming, less than 10 minutes per day, every day. or 5 days a week. So profits, how much are we going to make? This system, it's high frequency, it's a lot of trades. So like many sort of systems with lots of trades and short-term holdings, you're not going to hit home runs, you're not going to get massive profits from it, but what you will get is just consistent little bits of profit week after week, month after month, and at the end of the year, those 200 little bits of profit really do add up quite nicely. In fact, in the PDF that I've done, I've actually done a case study. Now, I've listed every trade made between the start of 2015 and the end of September. So over that 9-month period, and we actually made, it was about 25. So what that means is that's 25 times whatever your risk was per trade. Now, typically your risk might have been 1% per 1 hour or 2% per hour. In that case, you'd be looking, if it was a fixed fractional 1%, you'd be looking at over 25% gain on your account. Or if you're risking twice as much, over 50% gain on your account. So that's it really. Just to start off with, that's a few basics, just the outline. And the next video we get into the technicals of what to look for, where to place the orders, to enter, to exit, profit taking, all that sort of good stuff. If you do need the PDF guide, I'm going to put a link in down below so you can download that. You can read through that in between watching the videos, and that might help as well. Okay, so in the meantime, I will see you on the next video.